A report released recently suggests that it's tough to find money to fund movies. South Africa is active. Nigeria, the other large film market, has some formal options, but it's mostly self-funded. One other country is showing signs of market growth, though.
Senegal, on the other hand, has taken a sort of Gallic, French, if you will, cultural approach towards funding short and feature films, and has been quite successful with that. But outside that, there are not really a ton of opportunities available for people.
The lack of funding has led to an interesting change of approach in some countries.
Technology and access to cell phones has democratized access to filmmaking. So part of what we see happening is that a lot of emerging filmmakers are just saying, okay, I will get equipment and make a film for a lot less than would have been possible 10 years ago.
Access to finance aside, distribution of the film is also a key issue. If investors can't get a return on their investment, they won't get involved financially. There's also another concern.
There's a general absence of business skills among filmmakers. More and more people are being drawn to the industry because technology, as we said, has democratized access, but there's really an absence of skills around what does it take to put together a pitch that will attract investors, what are the things required for film-specific business skills like marketing and promotion. Once you finish the film, how do you get it to an audience and turn that audience into a market?
African filmmakers are looking at how the film-goer market grew in China.
The Chinese box office growing from 600 million to 8.7 billion in the course of 10 years. And I think what African filmmakers are taking from that is that there is a need to pool resources across Africa, both on the production side, on the finance side, and then in terms of audiences.
There are only really 3 countries in Africa that can offer any kind of formal funding for those potential filmmakers. For the rest of the continent, it's really about using either technology or tapping into friends and family. I'm Angelo, Coppola for CGTN in Durban, South Africa.